Welcome to my math and chemistry channel on YouTube. My name is Stefan Bridén. I'm a retired teacher in math and chemistry. I'm going to discuss how to solve complex equations by factoring. And the equation is x squared minus parenthesis 2 plus I end parenthesis times x plus 2I equals 0. And I'm going to use the completing the square method. So we start by cutting the middle term here, the mixed term, in two equal parts. So we'll rewrite this equation like this: x squared minus 1 plus 0.5 I x minus 1 plus 0.5 I x plus 2I equals 0. And then we're going to use the generic rectangle. So we write a rectangle here, and it should be big. In a generic, you divide this one into 4 rectangles, minor rectangles, and then we put the first term into the first rectangle here. So x squared is that. And you put minus 1 plus 0.5 I times x minus 1 minus 0.5 I x. You leave the fourth rectangle empty and you put 2I outside, like that. Now we gonna use the completing the square method. So this is what I have to complete. The square is here, but what should it be standing here? So you know that this is x, this is x, this is minus 1 plus 0.5 I, this is minus 1 plus 0.5 I. So this is 1.5 I squared. So you have to withdraw that amount here. So you have minus 1 plus 0.5 I squared. Now you see that we have a square here. You have this side. And this side can be write as x minus 1 plus 0.5 I times x minus 1 plus 0.5 I that equals 2I minus 1 plus 0.5 I squared. We have to rewrite the rectangle as x minus 1 plus 0.5 I squared plus 2I minus 1 plus I plus 0.25 I squared equals 0. We rewrite the equation again, like this one, x minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.5 I squared minus 8I divided by 4 minus 4 plus 4I plus I squared divided by 4. And we rewrite it once again, x minus 1 plus 0.5 I squared plus 8I minus 4 minus 4I minus I squared divided by 4. And this can be rewritten as x minus 1 plus 0.5 I squared, and here you have plus 4I minus I squared minus 4 divided by 4. So you have here this one here, x minus 1 plus 0.5 I, this squared equals as minus I squared minus 4I plus 4 divided by 2. We rewrite the equation once again. Here is the same And here you see that it is parenthesis I minus 2 and parenthesis divided with 2 in square equals 0. We rewrite it because this is so we take a generic rectangle again, and you have to rewrite the thing here. We write a new rectangle here with 4 sub-rectangles as before. You fill in the left side here, x minus 1 minus 0.5 I squared, and this one here, I minus 2 divided by 2 squared. It gives you this side to be x minus 1 plus 0.5 I. This is x minus 1 plus 0.5 I. This one is minus I squared, I minus 2, and that must be plus I minus 2 divided by 2. This gives you x minus 1 plus 0.5I plus I minus 2 plus parenthesis I minus 2 divided by 2 times x minus 1 plus 0.5I minus I minus 2 divided by 2 equals 0. The zero product rule gives you this is equation 1 and equation 2, and this gives you equation 2. Then we have this, and that results in this one here. So the equation, so you have x minus I times x minus 2 equal to 0. The answer is